Hey, this is
Hey, it's Dwayne, the old Indiana farm boy. Today I'm going to be doing a little sheet metal work on the U302 Minneapolis Moline. What we got here, front panel here, you can tell it had evidently been setting out quite a bit. It's all kind of rusted off along here, so I took and cleaned this all off, and my idea is take some of this banding strip, clean it up, tack weld it in place, then drill it where it needs to be drilled, and hopefully that'll reinforce that. So I'll clean this up and I'll get back with you and show you what we got. Okay, we got the band cleaned up on this side here. I'll clamp it in place, and I've got a Harbor Freight tack welder. We'll tack it in place and hopefully we can drill it and we'll be good to go, and that'll reinforce it. That way we'll save this old sheet metal. Sheet metal sometimes pretty hard to get, and a lot of times the only way you can get it is salvage it off a cannibalized tractor, and that's kind of a shame to cannibalize these part of American history, our farming history. So I will tack that on there, and I'll get back with you. I had to flip that over. Wasn't making good contact because this side was really rusty and had some old paint on there, but you can see how bad this was and why I'm putting this band on here to kind of reinforce it. Now let's see if I can get that to tack up. And it looks like we got it. Now I'll just have to drill out where the holes are at from the bolts, and we should have it. That should reinforce it pretty good. Of course, if it doesn't, we always wish it had it. So that's how I repaired the front panels there on my Moline U302. Catch you on the next one.